Want to upgrade your ride without spending a fortune? You're about to discover some game changers. In today's video, we're revealing 20 cool bike accessories on Amazon that improve comfort, safety, style, and performance. From smart cycling gadgets to must-have gear you didn't know existed, these picks will completely transform your biking experience. Stick around till the end. You won't believe some of these awesome finds. Number 1. Airmoto Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. Flat tire right before a ride? The Airmoto Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor gets you back on the road fast. This compact cordless pump features a digital pressure display, auto shutoff, and rechargeable battery for easy use anywhere. Lightweight yet powerful, it inflates bike tires quickly and accurately. Keep it in your backpack or car for emergencies. For convenience, precision, and peace of mind, this inflator is a must-have cycling companion. Number 2. Brightz GoBrightz LED Bike Frame. Light riding at night without visibility can be risky. The Brightz GoBrightz LED Bike Frame light adds vibrant illumination to your bike frame, boosting both safety and style. Flexible tubing wraps easily around frames, while bright LED lights offer multiple glow modes. Battery-powered and weather-resistant, it's built for night rides and fun adventures. If you want to stand out and stay visible after dark, this light is a brilliant upgrade. Number 3. Bikeroo Comfort Bike Seat Cushion. Long rides leaving you sore and uncomfortable? The Bikeroo Comfort Bike Seat Cushion transforms hard saddles into plush seating. Made with thick memory foam and a breathable, non-slip cover, it reduces pressure and absorbs shock. Easy to install and compatible with most bikes, it's perfect for commuting or long-distance cycling. Ride longer without discomfort. For better support and smoother journeys, this cushion is an essential upgrade. Number 4. Lamicall Bike Phone Holder Motorcycle Mount. Holding your phone while riding is unsafe and distracting. The Lamicall Bike Phone Holder securely grips your device with adjustable clamps and shock-absorbing design. It rotates 360 degrees for perfect viewing angles and fits most smartphones. Durable materials keep your phone steady even on rough terrain. Whether navigating or tracking rides, this mount keeps your phone secure and accessible. A smart, safety-focused addition to any bike. Check to number 5. ROCKBROS Bike Seat Bag Bicycle Saddle Bag. No pockets for tools or essentials? The ROCKBROS Bike Seat Bag provides compact, secure storage under your saddle. Made from durable, water-resistant materials, it protects items like keys, repair kits, and snacks. Reflective strips enhance visibility at night, and the quick-release straps ensure easy installation. Lightweight yet spacious, it keeps essentials organized without adding bulk. For convenience and preparedness, this saddle bag is a must-have. Number 6. ROCKBROS Bike Water Bottle Holder. Struggling to stay hydrated during rides? The ROCKBROS Bike Water Bottle Holder keeps your bottle secure and within reach. Made from lightweight yet durable material, it holds bottles firmly even on bumpy roads. Easy to install on most bike frames, it provides quick access without slowing you down. Stay refreshed and focused throughout your ride. For performance and convenience, this bottle holder is a simple but essential accessory. Number 7. AstroAI 7 Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. Low tire pressure ruining your ride? The AstroAI 7 Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor delivers fast, accurate inflation with a digital display and preset pressure modes. Compact and rechargeable, it's easy to carry on cycling trips or keep in your car. Auto shutoff prevents overinflation, ensuring safety and precision. Reliable, powerful, and user-friendly, this inflator keeps your tires road-ready anytime. A dependable must-have for every cyclist. Number 8. JXFUKAL Bike Bags for Bicycle Rear. Rack running out of space for gear on longer rides? The JXFUKAL Bike Rear Rack bag offers spacious storage with multiple compartments for tools, clothes, or groceries. Water-resistant materials protect contents from rain, and reflective details improve nighttime safety. Easy to attach and remove, it fits most rear racks securely. Perfect for commuting or touring, this bag keeps your ride organized and efficient. A practical upgrade for serious cyclists. Number 9. Upgraded Pro Bike Speaker with Pro Handlebar Mount. Missing music on your rides? The upgraded Pro Bike Speaker brings powerful, clear sound directly to your handlebars. Designed with a secure mount and waterproof build, it handles bumps and weather easily. Bluetooth connectivity pairs quickly with your phone, while long battery life keeps tunes playing for hours. Compact yet loud, it enhances every ride. For fun, motivation, and energy, this speaker is a must-have. Number 10. Aomiker Waterproof Bike Frame Bag. Phone and valuables exposed to rain or dust? The Aomiker Waterproof Bike Frame Bag keeps essentials protected and accessible. Made from durable waterproof materials, it features secure zippers and a clear, touch-sensitive window for phone navigation. Easy to install on most frames, it stays stable even on rough roads. Compact yet roomy, it's perfect for daily commutes or long adventures. For protection and convenience, this frame bag is essential. Number 11. SO DPE Store. 8. Pack Bicycle Accessories. Forgetting essential tools during rides can ruin the fun fast. The SODP Store. 8-pack bicycle accessories kit keeps you prepared with must-have riding gear in one bundle. Built with durable materials, this set includes safety and maintenance essentials designed for daily cycling. Compact and easy to carry, it fits neatly into backpacks or bike bags. If you want convenience, value, and readiness on every ride, this accessory pack is a smart choice. Number 12. Synatura Box Vertical Bike Stand. Leaning your bike against the wall wastes space and risks scratches. The Synatura Box Vertical Bike Stand stores your bicycle upright, saving floor space instantly. Built with heavy-duty steel and anti-slip padding, it holds your bike securely without drilling. Its stable base prevents tipping, making it perfect for apartments or garages. If you want clean organization and safe indoor storage, this vertical stand is a practical upgrade. Number 13. Our Whitcop Bike Mirror Large HD Field. Constantly turning your head to check traffic can feel unsafe. The Whitcop Bike Mirror with large HD field gives you a wide, crystal-clear rear view while riding. Made with durable, shatter-resistant materials, it adjusts easily for the perfect angle. The stable mount keeps it steady even on rough roads. For safer commuting and confident lane changes, this high-definition bike mirror is a must-have. Number 14. Hominova Adjustable Garage Bike Rack. Bikes scattered across your garage create clutter and frustration. The Hominova Adjustable Garage Bike Rack organizes your space with a strong, wall-mounted storage solution. Built from heavy-duty steel, it supports multiple bikes securely. Adjustable hooks fit various frame sizes, and installation is straightforward. By lifting bikes off the ground, it protects them from damage while maximizing space. For a cleaner, smarter garage setup, this rack is essential. Number 15. Tanana 2 Tire Pack LED Bike Wheel. Lights riding at night without visibility is risky and stressful. The Tanana 2 Tire Pack LED bike wheel lights boost safety with bright, eye-catching illumination. Waterproof and durable, they attach easily to most bike wheels. Multiple lighting modes add style while increasing visibility to cars and pedestrians. Battery-powered and simple to install, they make night rides safer and more fun. For safety and flair combined, these LED lights are a must-have. Number 16. Two Maples Store Noseless. Bike seat long rides can cause serious discomfort with traditional seats. The Two Maples Store Noseless bike seat reduces pressure and improves posture with its ergonomic, widened design. High-density foam and shock-absorbing materials provide lasting comfort. Easy installation fits most bikes, making it perfect for commuters and casual riders. If you want pain-free cycling and better support on every ride, this noseless seat is a game-changing upgrade. Number 17. Megna MTB Short Bike Stem Diameter 22.2 millimeters mountain bike loose handling can make mountain biking feel unstable. The Megna MTB Short Bike Stem improves control with its compact, sturdy aluminum alloy build. Designed for diameter 22.2 millimeters handlebars, it enhances steering precision and responsiveness. Lightweight yet durable, it withstands rough terrain with ease. Installation is simple and secure. For better bike handling and confident trail performance, this short stem is an essential upgrade. Number 18. IUVWISN Store E-Bike Full Twist Throttle Grip. Jerky acceleration can ruin your electric bike experience. The IUVWISN Store E-Bike Full Twist Throttle Grip provides smooth, controlled speed adjustments. Built with durable rubber and responsive internal wiring, it ensures steady performance. Easy to install and comfortable to grip, it fits most electric bikes seamlessly. For better acceleration control and a smoother ride, this throttle grip is a smart and practical addition. Number 19. On-Through portable Bluetooth speaker for bike riding without music can feel dull on long roads. The On-Through portable Bluetooth speaker for bike adds powerful, clear sound to every journey. Yeah, waterproof and shock-resistant, it mounts securely to handlebars. Strong battery life keeps your playlist going for hours, and Bluetooth connectivity pairs quickly with smartphones. For cyclists who love music on the move, this portable speaker makes every ride more enjoyable. Number 20. BV Bicycle Pump. Durable bike floor. Pump flat tires can stop your ride before it even starts. The BV Bicycle Pump durable bike floor pump delivers fast, efficient inflation with a stable steel barrel design. Compatible with both Presta and Schrader valves, it's versatile and easy to use. The ergonomic handle and accurate pressure gauge ensure smooth pumping every time. For reliable tire maintenance at home or in the garage, this floor pump is a cycling essential. That wraps up our 20 cool bike accessories on Amazon that can seriously upgrade your cycling experience. From smart safety gear to must-have bike gadgets, these Amazon bike accessories are built for performance and convenience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links below to grab your favorite cycling upgrades today.